Good morning, dear
Good
students.
morning, sir. How are you, sir?
Yes, I'm fine. What about you, students? How are you all?
We are fine, sir.
Okay, very good. So, students, once again, nice to see you all.
Nice to see you too, sir.
Okay, so before I begin something today, let me ask you the date of the day. What is the date today?
28th, sir.
Very good, 28th. So, let me write over here. Okay, very good, 28th of June.
Your handwriting is super, sir.
Thank you. What is our subject?
Economics, sir.
Very good. Economics. Very good. And what is the topic that we have been discussing so far?
People as
Yes, very good.
resource, sir.
People as resource. Very good. And then subtopic. What is the subtopic? Of course, today we'll deal with some other subtopic. But
Story
before
of
that,
story of Sakal and Vilas,
yes,
sir.
that was the subtopic. So I will ask something, okay,
Yes, sir.
based on what we discussed in the last class. Subtopic, okay, very good. So students, in the last class, the subtopic, what was our subtopic? As you have already said, the stories of
Sakal and Vilas,
Sakal and Vilas. Okay, so based on that, I will ask you some questions, okay?
Yes,
As a
sir.
part of recapitulation. Just in order to get the idea whether you are understanding my lecture, following my class or not, okay? So I'll ask you some questions based on what we have discussed so far. Okay, so students, what are the name of two friends who were living in the same village?
Sakal and Vilas, sir.
Yes, very good. Sakal and Vilas, they were bosom friends, isn't it? They were
Yes,
in the
sir.
same village, living together, okay? Of course, not in the same family. Families are different, but in the same village, okay? Now, could you give me brief description about Sakal?
Yes, sir. Sakal was quite middle class family. He was
Very good.
okay. He was forced to go to school, and
Yes,
he
yes,
was
very
very much interested.
Yes,
And he was educated very well. He qualified even computer programming course, and he got a good job.
Yes, very good.
Yes, sir.
You have understood the lesson very well. I am really very glad to hear your answer. Okay. So, Sakal, as you said, that he was from the middle class family and he was forced to go to school.
Yes,
But then
sir.
afterwards he got interested, okay, in his studies and
sir.
all. Then he said that his father took a loan also, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
To educate his son, to give him the vocational course in computer.
Yes, sir.
And then afterwards, this fellow, Sakal, he got interested in studies and he completed his studies and got a
Good
job in
job.
a private farm in the beginning. Then what he does, he develops what? A software, and that helps him, that helps in the sale of the farm products, right?
Yes, sir.
Then owner of that the private company or the private farm, he acknowledges, isn't it? His
Contribution, sir.
yes, contribution, and he gives him the promotion. So that's way now he becomes the what? Asset, isn't it?
Yes,
He becomes
sir.
an asset for the family, for the society, and the country at large. Okay, now tell me something about the person called Vilas.
Yes, sir. Vilas was from very poor family, sir.
Yes, very good.
His mother was selling fish, and he was getting 150 rupees somewhere, sir, or 20 rupees. I
Okay,
think.
very good, very good.
And then his father passed away when he was 2 years old.
Fantastic, fantastic. Carry on.
So afterwards, his mother fell sick. So Vilas was selling fish and earning for livelihood, sir.
Yes, very good. Very good. You have understood the lesson very well. So, to summarize what you have said, he was not, given the education, right?
Yes, sir.
Even his health was not taken care of, right? Because of the lack of money, the income and all, isn't it? He was
Yes, sir.
suffering from arthritis, right? But he was not treated and he was not given the education. And then afterwards he had to take up the job of his mother, right?
Yes,
To
sir.
support the family to earn the livelihood, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So students, I am very glad that you have understood the previous class so well. So keep it up. Okay. So students, today during this class, we'll discuss about the vicious cycle, not vicious cycle, of course, the virtuous cycle and the vicious cycle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Virtuous cycle versus vicious cycle, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
based on that, today during this class we'll study about, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with the help of slide, I'll make you understand, okay?
Yes, sir.
Since there is no electricity today, so with the help of laptop, I will try to make you understand. Hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, doesn't matter if it is not clear also, I am here to explain to you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, students. So this is the subtopic of our class today. Okay. Let me
Yes,
write over
sir.
here. A virtuous cycle versus vicious. Okay.
Yes,
Vicious
sir.
cycle. This is the subtopic for our class today. Okay. So I'll make you understand. Okay, it is very simple. Though the word looks both the words. Okay, virtuous and vicious. They look very different, very strange. But
Yes, sir.
I'll make it very simple. Okay, I will simplify the things. Okay. So here, students,
Yes, sir.
a virtuous cycle versus a vicious cycle. So understand through the stories of Sakal and Vilas. So with the help of story of Sakal and Vilas, I will make you understand
Yes,
the
sir.
meaning of virtuous and the meaning of vicious, right? Okay. So investment in human resource via education and medical care. So investment in human resource, okay?
Yes,
How you
sir.
invest in human resource? In which areas? So in education, the area of education, medical care and all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the outcome afterwards? Can give high rates of return in the future.
Yes, sir.
So investment in human resource, see what it brings? High rates of return in the future.
Higher income, sir.
Yes, very good. So good education, medical facility, so they can give high rates of return in future. For example, very simple example I'll give. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now all you have come here for education, right?
Yes, sir.
You want to be educated, you want to be knowledgeable, you want to be skilled, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now you are like a bank balance for your family, right? Now
Yes, sir.
the parents are spending, investing money on you, okay, for your good education. Then afterwards you become what? An asset for the family. You in return you bring back what you have spent now, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is the investment in human resource. Now you have the capital, okay, that is invested, okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you become resourceful afterwards. You bring back the spent money, okay.
Yes, sir.
And that is not only for you but for the society and the country at large. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So you contribute in the development of the country as well. Okay, very good. Now see students. Now with the help of Sakar, I will make you understand. He raised his father. Okay, here just little mistake. Okay,
Yes,
doesn't
sir.
matter. His father raised a loan for Sakal to study vocational course in computers. So Sakal was meritorious and interested in his studies from the very beginning. Okay, so with great vigor and enthusiasm, he completed his course. After some time, he got a job in a private firm. So he even designed a new kind of software. Already we have seen. Okay, so how investment in human resource, right?
Yes, sir.
So advantage is that now when his the investment is done on his resource, on the human resource, okay, the person of Sakal. So what the outcome, what comes? He develops a new kind of software, and that is helpful for the country and outside the country, okay, across the country. Very good. And that brings lots and lots of advantages, profits, isn't it?
Yes,
Okay, very good. So this is the example of, what we have seen in the previous slide. Investment in human resource, and that will bring what? Good rates of return in the future, high rates of return in the future, right? Okay, students, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Then when we talk about the story of Vilas, there was no investment in his resource, right? He is a capital, but there is investment is not done in the capital, right? And
Yes,
because
sir.
of that, there is, no high rates of return, isn't it, in the future? Because money is not spent on him. His health is not taken care of. He is not given education, proper education. And that's why there is no advantages in the future.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Okay. So investment in human resource via education and medical care can give high rates of return in the future. Are you all getting, students?
Yes, sir.
Very good. See, students, this is the now, the real subtopic for our class today. Yes, can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Two situations, okay?
Yes, sir.
Here, can you see virtuous cycle and vicious cycle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with the help, this is the two situations. So I'll make you understand the virtuous cycle and the vicious cycle. Okay, let us see the next slide. See here. Now I'll explain to you about this virtuous cycle, what it means. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Educated parents are found to invest more heavily on the education of their children. Correct?
Yes,
The
sir.
parents who are educated are found to invest more heavily on the education of their children. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then this is because they have realized the importance of education for themselves. So they are also conscious of proper nutrition and hygiene. Okay? They accordingly look after their children's needs for education at school and good health. So a virtuous cycle is thus created in this case. So students, look at here.
Yes, sir.
I'll make it very simple, this one, okay? Shall I put this one down for some time?
Yes, sir.
Then I'll make you understand, okay? So students, the parents who are educated, okay,
Yes, sir.
they try their level best to give good educations to their children, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
they know the importance of education in their life. And because of the education, now they are in a good post, earning so much of money, their lifestyle is good, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And so the same way they want their children also to be like that. And that's why they invest so much money on their education, right?
Yes, sir.
The proper health care and the hygiene and all, right? So see students here, this is about the virtuous cycle, okay? Virtuous cycle. See here. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
This is the parents, okay? Two parents, okay?
Yes, sir.
See, if they have children, so if these parents are educated, right? Educated, so they will try their best to educate their children as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then if this fellow is now educated and he gets married, okay? He gets married, right? And they have again one more child, okay? So what they will do, again they will educate this son. And when this son is again educated, he gets married, okay?
Yes,
Then
sir.
he has his own sons and daughters, whatever, okay? So he will try to educate them also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, similarly here again, his son will get married again, okay? He will have his own son and daughters, okay? Then again he will, so this is a cycle, okay?
Yes, sir.
So are you all getting?
Yes, sir.
So this is about the virtuous cycle in a good way, okay?
Yes, sir.
Parents, they know, they are educated and they know the value of education and they want their children to be educated like them, to get good jobs, right? Right, are you
Yes,
getting?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, see, this cycle goes on, okay? Goes on. That's why it is well said that rich becomes richer all the time, right?
Yes, sir.
They don't want to be poor, correct? So, this is the way. So, hope you understood this one. Students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here. Now, another thing is that this is the another example I have given for you all to make you understand, okay?
Yes, sir.
See here, virtuous cycle. Suppose here good actions are there, good seeds will be there. Because of good actions, there will be good. His performance will be good and all. Then outcome will be what? Good results, good goals in life. So this is the virtual cycle. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So example of the parents of Sakal here. Just again coming back to the story of Sakal, okay? His parents, of course, they were from the middle class family, but they knew the value of education, and that's why they forced him to go to school for education. And even his father, he took the loan, okay, to educate his son, to give him the vocational course in computer. And because of that, you see, afterwards, what he does? He gets interested in studies and he's educated well, and he even designs the new software, right? And then
Yes,
afterwards,
sir.
he's promoted. So this is the way, okay? Then afterwards, when he will get married, he'll have his own sons and daughters, and he will also do the same with them, isn't it? He will educate them, give them good education, take care of their health and also hygiene and all, isn't it? So this cycle goes on, and that is the meaning of virtuous cycle. So it's clear to you, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now let us understand the another one about the vicious. Okay, a vicious cycle may be created by disadvantages. Vicious cycle may be created by advantaged parents who themselves uneducated and liking envy hygiene keep their children in a similar disadvantaged stage. So, students, look at
Yes,
here.
sir.
So, in this case, the vicious cycle, here, this is just of opposite of the virtuous cycle, right?
Yes,
Here,
sir.
the parents are not educated, so they don't know the value of education, okay? So,
Yes, sir.
similarly, they don't send their children for the education. They don't take care of their health and all. They don't teach them about the hygiene and all. So, it becomes worse and worse and worse, okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is the cycle. Here in the virtuous cycle, it moves in a very good direction, okay? One good thing leading to another, okay, in a good way. But in the vicious cycle, it is not like, it is just opposite, okay? When parents are not educated, they don't send their children for education. And when they have their own sons and daughters, again, when they get married, again they will have their own sons and daughters. They will not send them to schools, okay? Then they will have their own sons and daughters. Again, they will not send them to the schools. So in many situations, many circumstances, it happens like that, right?
Yes, sir.
They don't send their children, for education in the vicious cycle.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good. So this is the about. So hope you understood the similarities or dissimilarities, the similarities but dissimilarities between the virtuous cycle and the vicious cycle. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. See here, little bit I have given the example. Lack of capital, so there will be no investment. If there is no investment, low production will be there. Then that will lead to poverty. Then again low production. So again this cycle goes on.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
going to bad to worse to worse, like that. Okay. So that's the. Then in the case of Bilas here, already we have seen he was not given education, right?
Yes,
He was
sir.
not given education, and then it happened that after when he will get married, he will have his own sons and daughters. He will not send
Yes,
them for the
sir.
education, right? So this is about this. So in many cases it happens. The cycle remains the same. Okay, unless and until they understand the value of, good life in their life, then only the chain breaks. Okay, very good. Then this is the summarization of the investment in human resource.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you invest so much in the human resource, okay, so you will have the outcome, right?
Yes, sir.
Example of Japan. Okay, they invested. See, they don't have any natural resources. So these countries are developed, rich countries. They impart the natural resource needed in their country. How they become rich, developed? They have invested on people, especially in the field of education and health. So this is the very good example. Okay,
Yes,
country
sir.
Japan, where there is no natural resources much, but they invested so much on the human and then human resource, and because of that only country has developed so much. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. So this is the end of it. So before I give you the home assignment, just I will ask you some questions based on what we have discussed so far. Okay, during this class. So what do you mean by this virtuous cycle? In your own-
It goes
in your
on
own
and
words.
on. It goes on and goes on, sir.
In the good way or bad way?
Good way, sir.
Yeah, it goes on in the very good
Good
way.
way.
Parents are educated, so they teach their children for send them children for education. Their own sons, daughters will be also like that. Okay, the cycle
Yes, sir.
remains. Okay, and what do you mean by this vicious cycle? Vicious cycle?
That also got in bad way, sir.
Yes, this is just opposite of the
Yes, sir.
virtuous cycle. In the vicious cycle, it becomes worse. Goes to is bad, then goes to worse and worse and worse. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
that cycle remains. Okay. So I'm so glad that you have understood the lesson very well. So this is the home assignment for all of you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Give the brief description about the powerful countries in the world in about 500 words. Okay. Give the brief description about the powerful countries in the world in about 500 words. So
Yes, sir.
looking at this, you will understand that how the country has become powerful because of the virtuous cycle. Okay,
Yes, sir.
they have invested so much in the human resource, human capital. Okay, so students, I'm so glad that you have understood the lesson very well. Keep it up. Okay, so once again, thank you and have a good day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.